All right, this one looks like a three shaper. Let's start by doing the one that's most obvious to me. I see a semicircle, and my formula for that is 0.5 times pi times radius squared. And then what do I see? I see a rectangle. So rectangle, and that's my easy one with just base times height. And third, I see a triangle. And that one is 1/2 base times height. All right, now I'm ready to roll. Okay, let's go back to that circle. All right, the formulas are great because they tell us exactly what we're looking for. We need pi. It says use 3.14, so 3.14. We need a radius. They give us the diameter of 7, so we need to find the radius of 3.5. So we're going to plug in 3.5 and square it right there. All right, we need to calculate that. That is not as nice of a number as our others have been. That's okay. 2325. We're going to leave it like that. We're going to keep that until the very end. We'll only round at the very end for this problem. So let's go onto that rectangle. Ooh. Okay. You might get confused and think that's one of the dimensions of the rectangle, but notice that goes all the way up here. All right, so you have to look over here. We have 7 for that and 7 for that. So that is 7 times 7, which gives us 49. That one didn't take long. Let's go to that last triangle. Oh no, they give us nothing for that. Well, if we're looking for this here, well, first we're looking for a base and a height. So we can go here. That would be our base, and then we need that for our height. All right. So are there any other lines that are that same length? We can look down here. We see that that's 7. Matches that one other line that's 7. Now we need that height. Well, since it's going vertical, we can look at other vertical lines to help us. We know from here all the way down to there is 10.5. We also know from here down to there is 7. So we just need that rest of the way up here, and that will give us this. So 10.5 minus 7 is 3.5. So there we have it. We have our two dimensions. We have the base of 7. We have the height of 3.5. And now we have to quickly calculate that. So the area comes to 12.2. Oopsie. 12.25. 12.25. There we go. And we're going to add those up. So 19.2325 plus 49 plus 12.25. Add them all up. And what do we get? We get a grand total of 80.4825. It says round to the nearest hundredth, so we're going to go boom. Since this is 4 or lower, we keep the 8. So the answer is 80.48, and that's square feet because area is always in square units. Bingo. A little tricky, but hopefully you're getting the hang of it.